This is the elevator at the Bloomingdale store at the Bridgewater Commons Shopping Center in Bridgewater, New Jersey. It's a Westinghouse. Wow, I just felt like I just stepped into the Willowbrook camp. Spoke to UL. And here we go. ML. How many pound capacity is this? 3,500 pound capacity. L. ADA compliant phone. Just your pretty basic looking Bloomingdale's elevator, exactly what Willowbrook used to look like. This is an exact replica of what Willowbrook used to look like. Let's go to UL. This used to be Stearns, by the way. And here we go. Got an ML. I hate this thing. Very slow going down. Again, it's exactly like Willowbrook. This is exactly what Willowbrook used to look like, except this was slightly bigger, the tile. So this is this is Willowbrook's sister store. This store is very similar to what Willowbrook used to look like before they renovated it. Westinghouse interlock. And there's the cap from a better perspective. There it goes, and that's it.